Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and tap on add picture. So here we've got three different categories from which we can choose the photo from. Device photos, which is also divided into two different options. Gallery, we can obviously open our own gallery and set our own photo, or simply open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can use Monogram, so we can use the first letter of the name or surname of the person. You can change the background color. You've got plenty of options to choose from. You've got also different fonts. You can also tap on emoji and choose something like that, or tap on inspire me, and your device will basically generate different options. You can also tap on illustrations, and those are free of charge and they are available online, so you can choose something, and it is especially useful if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So you can just find something which is, I would say, I don't know, maybe similar, or it resembles you about that person. I don't know, maybe dinosaur or something like that. So let me choose something from those options, because why not? I think this dragon is quite cute, or it's Wyvern. So here you can also change the presets, so you can change the colors, and you can zoom in or out the photo just by using your fingers, and change the size of this highlighted circle, change the position of the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.